Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I receive USD in my Revolut account? I know that a lot of people are interested in using Revolut to send and receive money internationally, and USD is one of the most popular currencies in the world. So, I wanted to take some time to explain how you can receive USD in your Revolut account. Before I get into the details, I want to give you a quick overview of Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, currency exchange, and investing. It's a great option for people who want to manage their money internationally. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Can I receive USD in my Revolut account? The answer is yes. You can receive USD in your Revolut account. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. You need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one here. https://www.revolut.com/radically-better-account. You need to enable USD in your account. To do this, go to the Settings tab and select Currencies. Then, enable USD. You need to provide Revolut with your bank account details. This will allow Revolut to transfer the USD to your account. Once you have done all of these things, you can start receiving USD in your Revolut account. Here are a few ways to do this. You can send USD to your Revolut account from another bank account. You can use your Revolut card to withdraw USD from an ATM. You can use your Revolut card to make purchases in USD. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions about receiving USD in your Revolut account, please feel free to leave a comment below. In addition to receiving USD, you can also send USD from your Revolut account. This is a great way to pay for goods and services overseas, or to send money to friends and family. To send USD from your Revolut account, simply open the app and select Send Money. Then, enter the amount of USD you want to send, the recipient's name and bank account details, and the reason for the transfer. Once you have entered all of the required information, click on Send. The money will be transferred to the recipient's account within a few minutes. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.